Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy FX GK Millionaire here with another market insight video. And on today's video, guys, we're just gonna take a look at the VIX25 and also we're gonna take a look at the VIX75 because why this is the two markets that I'm currently trading. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, please turn on that notifications and hit that subscribe button right now. So with no further ado, gang, let's jump straight into this market insight. So as you guys could have seen what we was talking about on the volatility 25 in our previous video, you guys could have noticed that I was talking about this 1 hour trading setup, right? And this was basically the trading setup that we was talking about. That price must come down, come to retest our reason of resistance and showing us a trading pattern. And as you guys could have seen right here on our 15 minute, we did have a beautiful trading opportunity with a double top, as you guys could see right there. Oh, what just happened now? Right, we had a beautiful double top formation right here, right? So if you didn't watch that video, guy, can just recap that video. But on today's market insight, we must actually figuring out what is our next trading opportunities. So what we could have seen right here, guys, is that this was our 15-minute lower high point, right? That created this new lower low point. Right there we have a retracement. There we can see price create lower highs and lower lows. But here we could have seen we have a first impulsive move here to the upside where we did violate in this previous lower high structure and also this previous lower high structure points. We can see price come to the downside and come and retest our 1788 reason right here. We can see here price is still basically struggling to break above this 1800 reason right here. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, we're gonna wait for price to at least come back to our 1788 reason here again, so price can create the W formation for us to create a trading opportunity for us right now. But as you guys could have seen right there, there's no trading opportunities right here at this moment. So if we could have seen that, okay, if price decide to break above it, retest it, then we can take another trading opportunity just up there. But for now, guys, I'm just gonna wait for price to come and create this W formation right here, right back to our 7080, and then I will most likely take buying opportunities. But if price decide to break under, retest it, then I will most likely take selling opportunities still to the downside. Because if we just take a look at price flow at the moment, we can see this is basically a correction formation for us to the upside, right? This is a correction formation for us to the upside. So if price come to the downside, showing me that my candle confirmation, I will enter buy position. My stop will be just under this reason and I will let price run all the way to the upside, and this would be my target reasons right here, guys. So let's take a look now at volatility 25. I hope you guys understand that this is a 15-minute setup that is about to happen on the volatility 25, guys. This is not a 1 hour setup, right? So the other setup that I was talking about on Saturday was this trading opportunity right here. But this setup right here is about to happen on my 15-minute. So this is going to be a 15-minute setup for me. So let's jump into the volatility 75 right now. So what we could have seen right here on the volatility 75 at this moment, right, we are still basically creating lower highs and lower lows. We did violate in this previous structure, breakout, retest, creating a head and shoulders, and there we can see price is still basically continuing to the downside. We are currently trading now at our previous lows, right? This is the previous reason that I will most likely would love to see if price can come tap into this area, and then we can most likely see price still to continue to the downside. But if price decide now on our 4 hour time frame to continue to the downside, wait for our retest on our smaller time frames like a 15-minute or 5-minute, wait for our confirmation. We talk about our head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, and our double tops. That is what we're gonna take a look out for on this market. So if we take a look on now on our 1 hour time frame, guys, is that we will see that price is basically respecting this reason right here, right? This area of previous lows right here, and now we can see that we have this lower high and we have this lower low price breakout, and we can see now price is basically respecting previous price action. So what can we do in this scenarios right now? So we can scale even down to our 15-minute right now just to see if we can see a current pattern, because right price is currently now trading at previous market structure. So what we could have seen right here, this is our reason right here, right? As you guys can see, price break above it, retest it, right? That is not the right opportunity yet, right? You only must take a trading opportunity, especially on the volatility 75, once you see trading patterns, right? To take a, like I can call it not a guaranteed trade, but most likely will work out in your favor. So what we could have seen right now is that price is currently in this bullish momentum here to the upside. This is basically a retracement for us for this lower high point for continuation to the downside. But let price showing us at least something like this, a double top. You see a double top, a range especially is a great opportunity to take trading opportunities here as well, right? So that is what we're gonna take a look out for on this market, and this is basically our 15-minute setup here as well, guys. But keep in mind that we are still basically trading at our 4-hour previous lows, right? So the best trading opportunity will be if price can close under these lows. Right now we know we have a break of structure. We not break of structure, but yeah, we can say break of structure as well, because right we're basically creating new lower highs, and then we're expecting price to retrace back and retest this previous reasons right here. But to take trading opportunities right here, to take that 1 hour sell position from this region right here, guys, would be really dangerous, because why we must see price at least close under, retested, and then if price come and retesting, showing us that our patterns is valid and we are ready to take a trading opportunity, guys, we're gonna take our trading opportunities and take price all the way to our daily trend line. Let me just show you guys right here, take it all the way down to our daily trend line, because right this is our current daily trend line that we are targeting for price to come tap into, right? This is what we're gonna wait for price to suit up here again, most likely to do that. So guys, this is it for this video. If you guys got value from this video, please let me know in the comments down below, so that I know I add value to a lot of you guys who's watching. And if this video means a lot and I must keep producing this type of videos, guys, please let your boy know. And if you're new, don't forget to turn on your notification. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm out.